What's going on, guys? We're back with another video today. I'm excited, putting a new exhaust on the C63. Without further ado, let's get one last cold start and then start heading over to the other shop. We'll go from there. Alrighty guys, so here we got the car on the lift, and you can see the exhaust. So I got the mufflers, and then the resonator, and then the cats at the front, and then there's also the primary cats all the way going up in the engine that you don't see here. But we're starting to cut out the resonator and the cat, and then we'll take some measurements and head over to the shop to get some pipes. Here's a little break. Alright guys, this is car turner 101.
We're going back this way. We turn this way, now we go this way, yeah.
Just figured I'd throw the car turner in there. I thought that was pretty cool. Here we are getting the pipes ready, getting good ground going. Those are the primary cats I was talking about before. So I decided to go with just the straight pipes on this one instead of the X pipe, because apparently the X pipe takes out that AMG growl and replaces it with a little bit more raspiness. And I'm not sure which one gives you more pops. Maybe I'll try out the X pipe in the future. But so far I'm happy with just the straight pipe. And yeah, here we are just putting the zinc alu coating on there just so it prevents it from rusting. And without further ado, here's the first start.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Thanks for tuning into this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more C63 parts being added to this thing. I'm gonna add a bunch of carbon fiber to it hopefully in the future and just clean it up some more. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and thanks for staying tuned.